We now want to configure your document collection agent. So let's have a look at it. This is the basic configuration that will appear when the collection agent is actually set up. This is all customizable, okay? So you've got the classification of the document, what the document is. We've got the pattern that it will try and attempt to follow that we can basically stipulate in this column, and then an example. These two columns work hand in hand for you to basically explain what you want and give an example so that the AI can better understand what you're looking for. So let's say, for example, we wanted to add another document. So I would like to add a contract to sale. Now, as I said, it doesn't need to follow a particular flow or rhyme or reason or whatever, but I'm just going to put in here that I want the document to be renamed to COS, contract of sale. I'm going to put the full name in curly brackets, but this is just, you can see what we've kind of done here. You don't have to do it this way. You could do it without any brackets, and then conveyance's business name. Now, the example that I'm going to give to the AI is that we've got a contract to sale with Sam Smith being the full name of the client, and then the conveyancing, which is Maestro Conveyancing. So right now, if we save this and then a client was to send through a contract of sale, because all of this data is captured inside of the contract of sale, or at least it is if it's a signed contract, then the AI will attempt to rename it as per this criteria. Now, we've also added two other sections that you can utilize to better help the AI to understand what's going on. Against each document, we've got this little edit tab. Now you can add additional classifications in terms of other documents that might be similar that we want to accept, and then validation instructions. And I'll give you two examples. So let's say, for example, the AI gets a driver's license and it's expired. Well, it's expired. It's not usable. But a passport that is expired is usable. So we're actually going to go over here to validation instructions, and we're going to say a passport is still valid up to 2 years after expiry. This will help the AI to not flag it as being an issue. If the passport comes through, it's clear, concise, it's readable, and all of the other information matches up except for the fact that it's expired. Within 2 years, this is still acceptable. Now, the other example that I'm going to give is income statements, which have also been known by group certificates or PAYG summaries. And what the AI assistant will do is when it actually is looking at the documents, it will look for these words or phrases to help make sure that the document is or isn't what you are looking for. So for example, if I go down to income statement, I'm actually going to say that the income statement, a group certificate, or a PAYG summary are all considered the same document. So if the document stipulates slightly different language than what it is expecting, but it matches one of these examples, then it will not flag it as an issue as long as, again, all the other criteria matches.